people ask me what my favorite fish to target through the ice is, I never really know what to tell them. What I do know is that there's not a whole lot of fish out there that I would go out in 25-mile-an-hour winds when it's -6 degrees out to catch, like lake trout. They're just so much fun to catch through the ice, and they're hands down one of my favorite fish to target. So without further ado, let's get after it. I'll see you guys on the water. Alrighty, you got the chest mount rigged up. You guys probably can't tell, but it's absolutely windy as all hell out here. Like, whoo, it's cold. Let's see if we can get a fish. Bam, first fish of the day. Let's go. Woo! Okay, so that's a trout. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Oh, ho, ho. Come on. Come on. Hey, 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 hey. I really don't feel like putting my hands in the water. That kind of seems like a mistake, but... Beauty. Damn. Alright guys, it's the next day. Luckily, there's not 25-mile-an-hour winds. However, it is -14, so, you know, we traded one for the other, but I'd much rather take the cold than 25-mile-an-hour winds. Feeling hopeful for today. You know, we got good conditions. Let's see what we can do. Well, we're definitely not alone today. It is it's busy out here, but it's good to see people out though. Oh, let's go, baby. Oh, he's running. Oh, sheesh. Damn. No, he popped off. What? Oh, fuck. Oh, come on, chase it. There we go. There we go. Ooh, just gonna take it nice and easy. Oh, doing the old head shakes. Oh. Woo! Go for 2 seconds. All right, first fish of the day. Finally. Gosh, this feels good. Let's get Buddy on his way. Come on, come back for it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, dude, he cranked it. Oh, dude, those head shakes are making me nervous. I'm letting him take his time, that's for sure. Damn, he's doing circles. Alrighty, look at that. About the same size as the last one. Man, he came and absolutely cranked it too. Grab his tail.
Fuck you. Oh, he's so fat! I can't feel my hands.
How high did you come in?
Whoa.
Damn.
Oh my god!
Dude, that is an absolute fatty.
Oh my god!
Dude.
Well, we're not positive if Bob House is open. If we're open, do you want to do that?
Yes.
Love you too. Bye.
Oh, there we go. Got him. Ooh. Oh, damn. Good. Guys, that was a good fish. Damn, he caught me on the phone. Tried to finesse me. Oh, I'm so nervous. I do not want to lose this fish. Come on, almost got him at the, oh, that just about broke my rod. Oh, this is tense. Oh yeah, it's the biggest one of the day. I don't know how much of that fight you're gonna see, but he's literally like running around the hole. Like, I thought I was gonna lose him like 10 times. All right, biggest of the day. Look at that, that is a beauty right there. Thanks, buddy, I appreciate it. Alrighty guys, I think that's going to do it for me. I'm getting ready to head out. No complaints. Took a couple days, but we finally made it happen. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, I'll leave my Instagram link down below. That way you can check me out there. Get some like midday updates, behind the scenes kind of stuff. I don't know, it's kind of dumb, but it's funny. But yeah, no, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like or a comment down below. Let me know what you enjoyed, didn't enjoy, or want to see or don't want to see. So yeah, we'll see you guys soon.